Since our beginning in 2001, Traverse Bay Farms, our mission is to enrich the lives of our customers by providing exceptional all-natural gourmet food products and fruit-based supplements. We are committed to delivering the highest quality selections of gourmet food products that can be enjoyed with every meal of the day. Our products include cherry juice, salsas, jams, barbecue sauces, dried cherries, and more, all crafted using as much locally sourced produce as possible. We proudly support Michigan and USA farmers, ensuring that every product we offer not only tastes good, but also makes a positive impact on our community and the environment. Our dedication to health, wellness, and sustainability drives us to continue innovating and inspiring wholesome living through the natural goodness of fruits. Our hometown of Bellaire, Michigan is directly on the 45th parallel north. Some of the best fruits and vegetables on the planet are grown along the 45th parallel north. It is located halfway between the equator and the North Pole. It is referred to as the Goldilocks scenario. It is not too hot and not too cold. As a commitment to delivering the highest quality products, since 2009, Traverse Bay Farms has won 42 National Food Awards at America's largest and most competitive food competitions. Traverse Bay Farms has won awards across several product categories, including salsa, barbecue sauce, salad dressing, jams, mustard, and more. This shows their commitment of delivering the highest quality and best customer service possible. Customer service and product deliverability are the top commitments. The company offers 24-hour, 7 days a week customer service on their toll-free phone number and online customer service. Their products are available on their website across 42 states in the United States and 5 countries across the globe. For those visiting and living in northern Michigan, they have 3 year-round retail stores offering all of their all-natural gourmet food products, fruit-based supplements, and more.